Have you ever wondered who makes sure the medicines you take are safe and effective? This crucial responsibility falls on the shoulders of a drug inspector. These professionals are government officers who act as the guardians of public health within the pharmaceutical industry. They are tasked with ensuring that every drug, cosmetic, and medical device available in the market meets strict quality, safety, and efficacy standards. Their work is governed by important laws like the Drugs and Cosmetics Act of 1940. Without their diligent efforts, the market could be flooded with substandard or even harmful products, putting countless lives at risk every single day. A drug inspector's role is multifaceted, blending scientific knowledge with regulatory enforcement. They are the frontline defense against fraudulent and unsafe medical products. From the moment a drug is manufactured in a factory to the point it reaches your local pharmacy, a drug inspector oversees the entire supply chain. They ensure that every step of the process adheres to the established rules and regulations. This involves checking manufacturing plants, storage facilities, and sales outlets. Their presence ensures that companies maintain high standards, protecting consumers from potential harm and building trust in the healthcare system as a whole. The importance of a drug inspector cannot be overstated, especially in a country as large and diverse as India. They are the silent heroes who prevent medical tragedies before they can happen. By enforcing good manufacturing practices, or GMP, they guarantee that medicines are produced in a clean, controlled, and safe environment. They also investigate complaints from consumers about adverse drug reactions or poor quality products. This proactive approach helps identify and remove dangerous items from circulation quickly, safeguarding the well-being of the community and upholding the integrity of the entire pharmaceutical sector. Essentially, becoming a drug inspector means dedicating your career to public service and safety. It is a position of great authority and even greater responsibility. These officers work for either state-level bodies, like the State Drug Control Departments, or central agencies, such as the Central Drug Standard Control Organization. Their work ensures a level playing field where all pharmaceutical companies must follow the same high standards. This commitment to quality assurance is what makes the role not just a job, but a vital contribution to the nation's health and safety infrastructure. To embark on the journey of becoming a drug inspector, a strong educational foundation is non-negotiable. The primary requirement is a bachelor's degree in pharmacy, or B.Pharm, from a recognized university. This degree provides the essential knowledge of drug composition, manufacturing processes, and quality control. Alternatively, a degree in pharmaceutical sciences or medicine with a specialization in clinical pharmacology or microbiology is also accepted. It is important to note that a diploma in pharmacy, or D.Pharm, or a general BC degree is typically not sufficient to qualify for this specialized and demanding role. Beyond the core educational qualifications, some states or central recruitment bodies may require specific professional experience. This requirement varies significantly across the country. For instance, states like Maharashtra or Haryana might ask for 1.5 to 5 years of experience in the manufacturing or testing of Schedule C or C1 drugs, which include biological and special products. However, the good news for fresh graduates is that many other states, including Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat, and Rajasthan, do not mandate any prior experience. This makes the role accessible to talented young individuals who have just completed their degree and are eager to enter the field. Age is another critical factor in the eligibility criteria for a drug inspector position. The age limits are set by the respective recruiting agencies, which are usually the Union Public Service Commission for central posts and State Public Service Commissions for state-level roles. Generally, the age bracket falls between 21 and 40 years. However, this can differ from one state to another. For example, some states might have a lower upper age limit of 36 years for the general category, while others may extend it to 43 years. Relaxations in the upper age limit are almost always provided for candidates belonging to reserved categories as per government norms. Finally, language proficiency can be a key requirement, particularly for state-level positions. Since a drug inspector's job involves interacting with local manufacturers, pharmacists, and the public, knowledge of the regional language is often essential for effective communication. For example, An applicant for a post in Karnataka may be required to know Kannada, while proficiency in Hindi might be necessary in Rajasthan. Fulfilling all these criteria, education, experience if applicable, age and language skills, is the first and most important step toward realizing your dream of becoming a drug inspector and serving the nation. The recruitment process for a drug inspector is a structured and competitive affair, designed to select the most capable candidates for this vital role. The process is primarily conducted through competitive examinations organized by the Union Public Service Commission for central government positions or by various state public service commissions for state government roles. Aspiring candidates must keep a close watch on the official websites of these commissions for recruitment notifications. Once an advertisement is published, eligible candidates can apply online through the designated portal, ensuring they fill out all details accurately and upload the required documents before the deadline. The selection process typically involves a multi-stage examination. The first stage is a written test, which is designed to evaluate a candidate's technical knowledge and general awareness. This written exam usually consists of 2 papers. The first paper focuses on pharmaceutical sciences, covering subjects like pharmacology, pharmaceutics, forensic pharmacy, and medicinal chemistry. The second paper is centered on general knowledge or general studies, testing the candidate's awareness of current events, history, geography, and general science. A strong performance in both papers is necessary to qualify for the next stage of the selection process. Candidates who successfully clear the written examination are then called for a personal interview. This interview is a crucial step where a panel of experts assesses the candidate's personality, communication skills, confidence, and in-depth understanding of the role. Questions may range from technical aspects of pharmacy to situational dilemmas a drug inspector might face in the field. This stage is designed to identify individuals who not only have the theoretical knowledge, but also possess the right temperament and problem-solving abilities to handle the responsibilities of the job effectively and with integrity. The final steps in the appointment process include document verification and a medical fitness test. During document verification, candidates must present all their original certificates and documents to prove their eligibility regarding education, age, and experience. Following this, a medical examination is conducted to ensure that the candidate is physically and mentally fit to perform the duties of a drug inspector, which can sometimes be physically demanding. Once all these stages are successfully completed, the selected candidates receive their appointment letters and often undergo a mandatory training program before being posted to their assigned jurisdictions. The daily life of a drug inspector is dynamic and filled with significant responsibilities. A key duty is conducting inspections of pharmaceutical manufacturing units, warehouses, and retail medical shops. These can be routine, scheduled visits or surprise checks to ensure that all establishments are complying with the regulations outlined in the Drugs and Cosmetics Act. During these inspections, they meticulously check for adherence to good manufacturing practices, verify licenses, and scrutinize records of drug production and distribution. This fieldwork requires a keen eye for detail and an unwavering commitment to upholding the law. Another critical responsibility is the collection of drug and cosmetic samples for quality testing. Inspectors draw samples from manufacturing sites or pharmacies and send them to government-approved laboratories for analysis. This is done to verify that the products meet the declared standards of quality, purity, and strength. If a product fails the test, the drug inspector is empowered to take action. This includes seizing the substandard stock, cancelling or suspending licenses, and initiating legal proceedings against the offending parties. They also play a vital role in investigating consumer complaints and reports of adverse drug reactions. The career of a drug inspector comes with a respectable salary and attractive benefits. As a government officer, the position offers job security and a well-defined pay scale. A newly appointed drug inspector is typically placed at level 7 of the 7th Pay Commission, with a basic pay ranging from 44,900 to 1,42,400 rupees, including various allowances like dearness allowance and house rent allowance, The in-hand salary can be anywhere from 55,000 to 75,000 per month at the start. This compensation is a testament to the important nature of the work they perform for society. The career path for a drug inspector is well structured and offers ample opportunities for growth. With experience and a strong performance record, a drug inspector can be promoted to higher positions within the Drug Control Administration. The typical promotional hierarchy is from drug inspector to senior drug inspector, then to assistant drug controller, and further up to deputy drug controller. The pinnacle of this career path is reaching the esteemed position of the Drug Controller General of India, the highest authority in drug regulation in the country. This journey offers a fulfilling career dedicated to safeguarding public health.